Welcome to the Crypto Major Show. Let's look at XCN. It's been a while since I've looked at XCN, so I thought we should go over it one more time. XCN has actually gone a nice bounce to the upside since the last time we looked at it, but now, more recently, it is kind of falling down. So I do want to take a peek at it and see what is going on with it and see where we stand on XCN. So right now, this could be flagging out for a bigger move to the upside. But obviously, if Bitcoin puts in another lower high here, then obviously it's likely to continue to dump with Bitcoin. For right now, Bitcoin is oversold on the 4-hour time frame, right around the 200-day moving average. So to me, Bitcoin is looking decent, at least on the 4-hour. The higher time frames are making lower highs, like on the 1, 2, and 3-day, which isn't fantastic to me. And even the 4-day is about to do it on Bitcoin. So I'm very much on the edge. I'm 50-50 whether the bottom's in. If the bottom's not in, I buy more Bitcoin. But this video is about XCN. I'm just saying if Bitcoin dumps, XCN is likely to dump as well. This is a flag, though, nonetheless, on the daily time frame for XCN. So if Bitcoin does pump, again, this would be likely to get a move. So you take it from the last local high to the last local low, and here's your next measure move for XCN if Bitcoin cooperates and gets sideways or goes up. If Bitcoin even goes sideways, I could see this playing out. The measure move being basically 0.038 or 0.039, depending on how conservative you say the move is. But overall, it looks like a move to the upside is in a minute. But you have to understand the daily time frame is still overbought, which to me suggests that we do not pump just yet. The 3 days overbought as well, again, so I would be cautious. It looks just like Bitcoin on the higher time frames, and to me, that's a little sketchy. 4-day time frame even is, look how fast it can go. This suggests to me, to be honest with you, I believe that we're going to get a bigger move to the downside here on XCN. Let's look at the smaller time frames like the 12-hour. How is the 12-hour looking? 12-hour time frame suggests you can get one more pump before you dump based on the higher time frames. But if I'd make a call right now, let me look at the 4-hour time frame first. 4-hour time frame, I would call a long on the 4-hour time frame right now. But I don't know if are you going to get to 38? Maybe. I would say it's unlikely based on how overbought the higher time frames are. But I think you get one more move to the upside here, maybe to 0.032, which is resistance. For right now, to me, XCN, if we're above the 200-day moving average on the 4-hour time frame, we're good. But for the higher time, you just have to remember, you can enter long now with the stop loss probably below 1854. And that'd be a pretty, or I would say a stop loss below 17. So you hit enter long now, stop loss below 17, and then your take profit would be 3.2 or 3.8 or even 3.9. One of the three areas would be good areas to take profit. Not financial advice. If you get there, you could have partial take profits at each level. But that's kind of an idea I would have. But you have to remember in the back of your mind that we're extended on the higher time frames, like the daily to the 4-day time frame look overbought. But that doesn't mean the 4-hour time frame can't get a bounce to the upside. So I would long this. The second the 4-hour time frame gets overbought or gets close to being overbought, I would be considering taking profits. So this is not financial advice. This is actually a trade step that I would consider taking myself, actually. Again, you just have to watch the 4-hour time frame. I would recommend, to be honest with you, the second the 4-hour time frame gets overbought, you at least look for an exit, or you move your stop loss up pretty tight. So with that being said, that's kind of my update on XCN. If you guys would like to join the trading group, click the watermark at the right-hand corner of your screen, and then that'll take you to my page where you can join the Patreon and trading group where I post Bitcoin updates and altcoin setups throughout the week, every day. With that being said, guys, the trend is up for XCN, so I would be looking for a long, at least on the 4-hour time frame. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe. Please hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers, and have a great night.